After launching the PowerAdSpy dashboard, locate the Instagram icon on the left-hand side of the screen and select it to view the latest Instagram ads. Next, at the top of the screen, you'll find the search bar. Click on it to reveal 3 search options: by domain, advertisers, or keywords. Below that, you'll see the Search By option, which allows you to filter ads based on elements like text and image, brand and image, object and image, or even celebrity and image. Adjacent to this is the Sort By option, where you can sort ads by metrics such as likes, comments, impressions, popularity, and average ad budget. To refine your search further, use the Filter option to narrow down ads by call to action, country, ad type, and language. In the Land or Properties section, you can dive deeper into ads by exploring affiliate networks, e-commerce platforms, funnels, marketing platforms, and sources. Let's try an example. Under the Advertiser option, type Amazon and click the Search button. Here are the ad results that match your search criteria. Now, head to the Sort By section, select the Average Ads Budget option, and define your preferred range by setting minimum and maximum limits. Once you've sorted the ads to fit your criteria, a list of relevant ads will display on your screen. Here are the ads relevant to our budget-based sorting criteria. Click on Show Analytics for in-depth insights. Here, you can review social engagement data. As you scroll down, you'll uncover targeted profiles and see which countries the ads are being served in.